Hey you guys, this is Jay with our simple how-tos, and we're back with another simple how-to. We're going to be changing the engine air filter in this 2019 Jeep Compass. Be right back. Okay, and as we usually do, as we always try to do, we're going to approach this. It's very simple. A lot of you guys have done hundreds of them over the years, but we're going to treat this just like somebody first seeing a car, maybe, in their life. Anyway, you come in here to the driver's side. Okay, you're going to see this symbol right here. On the driver's side left, there's a brake pedal. Okay, and then we're going to come down just below that. See this? Got the same symbol right there. So, pulls real easy. So that should have, you heard it, it should have released the initial part of the latch. Now this really, I should put the camera down, but I think I can do this with one hand. Right underneath the Jeep, there's a little lever here. Probably can't see it, but you'll see it when we open it up here. Push that to the left, and then you can lift the hood up. And now I'm gonna sit you guys down for a second. Pull this up. And that's going to go right here. There's a little slot underside of the hood. And it was laying right across and pinched in here. Right here. So that's... Now, here's the air filter. There's going to be 3 Phillips head screws. 1, 2, and then 3. Right there. So let me grab my screwdriver. Kind of a longer screw, so it's going to take a few turns. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 2. Be careful not to drop these down into the engine compartment somewhere where you might not find it. Hopefully it'll go all the way to the ground, but there's a driveway, but just be careful. Yeah, you don't even really have to take the screw all the way out. You can pull it most of the way out, and this will lift up without losing the screw. It's the first time I'm changing the air filter in this car. Okay, so that's there we go. Whoop. Okay, we'll go get the new air filter. Now, this is a Fram Ultra Air 12066 for Jeep, it says. I'm going to leave a link, my Amazon link in the description for this one or a similar one that will work for your 2.4 liter 2019 or 20 or Jeep Compass. See what this looks like. Oh yeah, this compass will definitely breathe better once we get the new one in. Make sure they're same filter. Again, you go the way you took it out, the rubber side up, filter side down. Because airflow is going this way. Okay, and that just lays right in there. Okay, now we just put put the 3 screws back in. I like to get them, all my hardware, I like to get started. Okay, those are both are started. Now I'll put the one I took out that I didn't need to take all the way out. And you don't over tighten it. You'll strip it out. Just get it down real snug. Okay, you guys, the new filter is in. Again, look in the description for new air filter. Yeah, we're actually getting ready to head out on a trip tomorrow. 1,400 miles each way. So we're going to be spending a couple nights on the road, coming back and going there and coming back. And the compass will be breathing a lot better. Share this with somebody who hasn't ever changed an air filter, especially maybe in their compass. But yeah, we love you guys. We'll be back with another simple how-to soon.